Hello everybody, I Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of Ajayastromoneyguru. Welcome all of you today on 1st October 2021. So today is the first day for the October series, and since yesterday there have been a major profit booking in the global markets followed by the Indian markets. Yesterday the Dow fell more than 500 points, and if we see for the September month, then during September all the majors indices of the America, whether it is Dow, Nasdaq or S&P, they have all fallen by 4 to 6%. And if we see individually, Dow fell around 4.29% in September month. Nasdaq 100 fell 5.73% in September, and S&P 500 fell by 4.76%. And if we compare this with the Indian markets indices, that are Nifty and Bank Nifty, then on the contrary, Nifty rises by 2.84% in September month, and Bank Nifty rise by 2.75% in the September month. This is also because of the strong domestic indications, whether it is by the industries or by the government or by the policies. And if we see yesterday, the core sector growth data have come good. Tax collection data was also good. Fiscal data was also good of the Indian markets. And if we see the global news, then in America there is a fear of high inflation and fat tapering going on, as well as the COVID-19 is also spreading its legs in especially US. And also before yesterday, the debt selling issue was also there, which was although postponed yesterday. And if we see from the Chinese market, the Evergrande issue is there. So the global markets are facing some of the issue. And also if we see the European markets, the energy crunch is going on in European countries, especially in UK, as the natural gas and other fuels are in a shortage in these countries. Therefore, almost every major economy of the world except India are facing some of the other issues of their own, but still the Indian markets are outperforming. And now if we see the global FIs and DIs data, then in the yesterday session, FIs were net sellers by around 2200 crores, and DIs were flat, and although they have bought, but that is of very insignificant amount, that is for around 100 crores, but still they were net buyers. So normally the FIIs act according to the global news and global economy sentiment. Therefore they are selling in Indian markets, but normally the domestic investors are in focus and act according to the domestic news and domestic indicators. Therefore they are continuously net buying. So the domestic investors focus more of the domestic news and sentiments, and foreign investors focus more on international news and sentiments. And as far as the Indian markets are concerned, I am still bullish in the Indian markets, and you need not to worry for the medium and long term, and for the October series also. And October series is expected to outperform more as compared to the September month also. Therefore, in every dip, it is the buying opportunity for the investors, and it is the opportunity for you to accumulate quality stocks in your portfolio. Although keeping in mind the tomorrow and day after tomorrow are weekly holidays, because of the Saturday and Sunday, some volatility can be seen in today's market. But next week is expected to come up with a ray of hope and recovery, especially in the Indian markets. So you need not to worry much about the Indian markets. You can definitely go for quality stocks in your portfolio, and you can consider Tata Steel Authority of India for the around 10 to 15 days for medium term trading. And also these stocks you can consider for long term perspective also. So for the medium and long term, you can consider Tata Steel and Steel Authority of India, that is SAIL. And also Bank Nifty and Nifty are expected to show recovery from the next week, although they are expected to show recovery in the second half of the today's session also, but still you can consider some volatility today because of the 2 days of weekly off because of the Saturday and Sunday. Therefore there might be a situation where when the investors or the traders might not take risk for the weekend. Therefore you can avoid or can experience volatility in the today's market, but for from Monday things can be better, and new recovery and positive move can be seen from the Monday. So I hope you liked our episode. See you in the next episode. Thank you and good day.